Reanimated dead corpses that have only one purpose: to find and eat living flesh. They have no memories or recognition of their former lives, families, or friends. Most zombies move slowly and can be stopped by either severing their head or piercing their brain with a bullet or some other sharp object. Bet you didn't know you were going to get an education on zombies. So, you all must be thinking a marriage between two zombies is pointless and impossible. Well, that may have been true a few years ago. But zombies have evolved. Dave and Shara belong to the new breed of zombies. They do have memories, and they do have feelings. They can even love. Which brings me to why we are gathered here tonight. We are here to witness Dave and Shara join together in an undead ceremony. Anyone that feels these two creepy souls should not be wed, speak now or forever hold your peace.
I do.
There's always one in every crowd.
I do. Oh, what's that?
Boom!
Never let me have it.
Till death do us part. It is but a mundane mortal musing. Therefore, David, do you take Shara to be your undead wife? Will you shuttle through the streets, trudge over the grasslands, and limp along the seashore for every sunrise and sunset to come? Will you feast on living... What? Oh, will you feast on living flesh with her by your side? Will you remove the rotting skin from her face? And keep her in sickness and death until someone chops off your head? I do. Excuse me. Not yet. Shara. Oh, thank you. Do you take David to be your undead husband? Will you aimlessly stumble with him through the streets? Feast on the living with him by your side. Remove the rotting skin from his face and keep him in sickness and death until someone chops off your head.
Everything except for the rotten flesh part.
Okay. Please face each other. Shara, you have some vows?
Sorry, zombies need glasses.
Wait, you get them.
David, as your zombie wife, I promise to terrorize the mortal population with you by my side. As long as I still have eyes, I promise to watch for zombie killers and to warn you if someone's about to cut off your head. As you lose body parts, I promise to collect them and sell them on eBay. To appreciate all the wonderful qualities you have and not to let the decomposition of your body dull that appreciation. I promise to decay along with you and to keep our relationship deadly and exciting. You are my best friend, and I will be my best for you. Each and every day with you has been a trip, and there's no one else I want to trip the rest of eternity with. I love you, and I like you.
And David.
Shara, from our first meeting, I knew you were going to be the one. You stole my heart, and even though you ate my heart, I still love you with all my rotting flesh and bones. I promise to be a faithful zombie husband and to never share killed with another zombie. I will strive to provide you with more brains and vital organs than you could ever imagine. Since we are now attracted to loud noises, I look forward to traveling the world with you from one loud noise to the next. And we should find ourselves, and if we should find ourselves in a zombie horde, I promise to make sure we do not aimlessly wander into a burning building. If your quality of death is ever diminished, to the point to where you are no longer able to limp or stumble, I will cut off your head quickly and move on. You are my best friend, lover, and companion. I look forward to the adventures we are about to begin. I love you madly.
Okay, David, take the ring off the severed finger and gently put it on Shara's finger. And then repeat after me. Shara's finger. I, David, give this ring as a sign that I chose you.
I give this ring as a sign that I chose you.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend to the end of my days.
To be my lover, my partner, and something else to the end of days.
Close enough. Shara, will you take the ring off the severed finger and place the ring on David's finger and repeat after me? I, Shara, give this ring as a sign that I chose you.
I, Shara, give this ring as a sign that I chose you.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To be my lover, my partner, and my best friend.
To the end of my days.
To the end of my days.
David and Shara, now that you've spoken your vows and exchanged rings as a testimony to your undying, get it, undying love, it is my honor to declare that you are now zombie husband and zombie wife. David, you may kiss your bride. David and Shara, you may now eat your guest brains.
Yeah!